Hey guys, it's Rob here at Roji. In this short video, I'm going to share the updated Typewell referencing workflow. So in StarSteer, when I go into the Mode tab, right away you'll notice something different. Typewell referencing isn't there anymore. But the tools you're used to, linking typewells, shifting them, and setting interpretation start, they're still here. They're just in the Geosteering Mode context menus. With the tools in their new spot, you'll achieve the same results with fewer clicks, and it's way more flexible for multi-typewell geosteering. Let me show you. So I'll activate Geosteering Mode, and to link my main Typewell 1, I'll right-click for the context menu and hit Link. The text turns red just like before, so you know it's linked, and I'll turn on the gamma. You'll also notice that topsets are now linked. This is for wells with more than one topset. You can choose the one to reference and create horizons. Next, I'll bring over my lateral well gamma and then shift the main typewell to create horizons. Right-click for the context menu and choose Typewell Shift. I'll click and drag the typewell gamma in the vertical track as usual. And to see or change the shift value, I'll right-click again, go to Typewell Shift, set Typewell Shift. Now creating horizons is the same way as before. Right-click the Typewell topset, create horizons, choose parallel. With my horizons created, I can now start splitting segments and steering. Now I want to quickly show you the improved multi-typewell geosteering. I'll go ahead and link Typewell 2. When I pull over the gamma, watch the horizons change in the vertical track. StarSteer references the topset and then creates the horizons automatically based on the formation thicknesses. To show this better, I can flatten by horizon. Right-click the horizon, flatten. As you can see, StarSteer created horizons unique to this typewell without the need for any shifting. Now I'll bring over my lateral well gamma by holding Control. This will copy it, and I'll drag and drop. Again, StarSteer automatically lines up the segments. Now I can steer in both tracks side by side. That's the new workflow in action. Less clicks, more flexibility, and way smoother when working with multiple typewells.